How many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Beth. Today I am in a collab with two of my very sweet friends, Maddie from Artsy Maddie and Favi from Arrows DIY. And we are doing Love at First Bite, some sweet treats, some cute decor for your kitchen, kind of a kitchen theme. And please check out my two sweet friends. I will have their channels listed below in my description box. You will not be disappointed. They are so talented. All right, I have 4 DIYs for you today. This first one was really simple, but really cute. And just so you know, DIY number 1 and DIY number 2 go together, but I split them up into 2 separate DIYs because you'll see, but both parts were pretty, kind of involved. Anyway, so I got these 2 hearts. I believe I got them at Dollar Tree. Do not quote me on that, only because I think I've had them for a while. The scalloped wooden box was a part of a nesting box set that I got on major clearance. I think it had 3 or 4 of them, different sizes, and I want to say it was under $1. It was unbelievable. Anyway, because it was like 90% off. So I'm using this beautiful pink by Folk Art. It's called, I showed you, I think it was called Seashell Pink. It is so pretty, and I'm almost out of it. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I'm going to paint both of these hearts pink, and then I'm going to paint my wooden box white, but on the inside, I'm going to paint it pink. And did want to mention this pink I used in a DIY that went live on Saturday. And I'll have that listed. I'll do an iCard or something, which was part of the Plaid. I Love Plaid collab, and there's a big giveaway for that. So I'll make sure to list that one so that you can enter the giveaway if you'd like. Anyway, moving on. So I'm going to glue these hearts to either side of this box. So we're kind of making a planter, if you will. And you'll see at the end of DIY number 2 what I fill it with. It's kind of cute, I think, anyway. So again, gonna glue these, and then I'm just gonna write hugs on one side and kisses on the other side. Okay, so as you can see, I pulled out some acrylic markers, but the white just to me wasn't opaque enough, pigmented enough, whatever. So trusty Posca pen. I love Posca pens, by the way. They're very nice to work with. Anyways, using a Sharpie here, and as I mentioned, I'm just going to write hugs on one side and kisses on the other with a cute little heart that I just freehanded and colored in. It was pretty simple, but you could use like letter stencils or a Cricut. But I just decided to handwrite it. I don't know, gives it some character, I guess. And that was pretty much it for this one. And I really hope that you liked it.
Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand? We only get one life, I wanna make it count. Honey, come on now and take my hand.
Okay, moving on to DIY number 2, which is going with DIY number 1. So I wanted to make some lollipops to go inside my little flower or planter that I just made. So I got these. I think they come in a pack from Dollar Tree. These round styrofoams. And then I'm just using some pink yarn. I made 3 different colors, and just simply hot gluing it around in a circle. And then I'm going to take some white yarn and glue it in between the pink yarn, to make it look like a lollipop. One suggestion that I learned after doing this first one is I would, when you glue the original color on, is maybe leave a little bit of a space in between. Either way, it worked out fine, but a little space to lay down your white or your second color of yarn. And then I'm going to just paint with that same pink color the sides and the back, and then you're going to and a dowel. And then I'm just going to put together some pretty little ribbons and a bow to attach to the dowel. And I think it turned out so cute. And in the pictures, you're going to see how I put them in the planter with some florals. And I really liked it. I thought it turned out really sweet and cute. I want to say, if you are new to my channel or coming over from Favi or Maddie's channel, welcome. I'm so happy you are here. Again, my name is Mary Beth, and I love to do all different kinds of DIYs. I love to do rustic, farmhouse, shabby chic, boho. I really like to try anything. I have a DIY coming up that I'm working on, and it's the very first time that I'm doing this, where you take like lightweight spackling, you make kind of like whipped cream. I'm making some sweet treats, and I am not sure how it's going to turn out. So hopefully you see a video on it. So might want to have your notifications on, because it might be a mess. I don't know. But if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I'm so grateful for you. So thank you for returning. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the support. I also want to mention that in my description box, I have a link tree, which is super easy. If you click on that, it has all my links in one place for you. And on my Amazon storefront, I try to keep that updated, but that's where you can see a lot of the products that I do use, if you're interested in getting those. And as a disclaimer, I do get a very small commission. However, it does not change the cost of your price. Just want to point that out. And also, I have a link for Buy Me a Coffee. And so if you would ever like to give me a tip and support my channel, it's greatly appreciated. Just helps me buy a lot of products to create these DIYs for you, to give you some inspiration. And one last favor. Oh my goodness. If you don't mind, give me a like. I only ask because, well, number one, it helps my channel, but really it also helps others see my channel with this crazy YouTube algorithm, so that if they like the same type of content, they're able to see it as well. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all your support. So as you can see, I'm getting ready to kind of just put together a bunch of different types of ribbon and pom-pom trim. And all I'm going to do is simply tie it around. Take another piece of that baker's twine. It's so cute, that pink and white baker's twine, and kind of tie it around there. And then I'm just going to make a simple bow. I think it's just a shoestring bow, and hot glue it in the middle. And I thought it turned out so cute.
And I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love. Love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, I just wanna love you right. if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper.
Okay, moving on to DIY number 3. This is a very easy DIY. It's just time consuming. So I got the conversation hearts actually at Family Dollar. I couldn't find them at Dollar Tree, but the green wreath form was from Dollar Tree. I'm literally going to glue hearts around the entire wreath form. Now, when I get the first layer on, you're going to see I'm going to go back. The first layer is kind of somewhat organized, like in a line or a circle round all the way around, kind of organized. Anyway, after that, and you wouldn't need to do this, you could just leave it as is, but I decided I wanted it to be more, I don't want to use the word chaotic, but just more like not in an organized manner. And so I did a second round of hearts, and I just kind of glued them randomly on top of the first layer of hearts. Now, you saw that bag, wasn't a super large bag, but I used 3.5 of those bags to do the entire wreath form. I did both the front and the back. And yeah, I think it turned out super cute. I just used some satin ribbon to make a really pretty bow on the top and, to hang it from. And that was it. Again, so simple, but put a movie on, get your hot glue gun ready, all your little candies. And you know what? At first, I'll tell you, I tried to watch the color and the direction. At this point, I was like, I don't even care. I don't care if 2 colors are next to each other. I just did it. Who's really going to be like, oh my God, you have 2 greens next to you? It doesn't matter, in my opinion. But, you do it how you want to do it. I just think it turned out cute. Something a little different, although a lot of people have done these. I've seen them on Pinterest, so they're all over the place. But I thought it turned out cute. I hope you like it.
What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Okay, so we're at the 4th and final DIY. This one was so quick and easy, but I thought it turned out so cute. Got one of these little palette thingies from the Dollar Tree. Those, I also wanted to mention a lot of the foam stickers and these little embellishments I've had for a very long time. So they were just in my stash. Look at that Valentines tissue paper was from 2019. Anyway, so I painted the palette piece white, took some tissue paper, Mod Podged it, super easy, right on there. And then I'm just going to embellish it with one of these like felt pink XOXOs, a couple little stickers, and a bow. and I thought it turned out just really cute. I did add a Jenga block to the back so that it could stand up. Simple and easy for a tier tray or just to put, in a little vignette anywhere. I thought it was really cute. So easy. It's amazing what a little paint, some tissue paper, Mod Podge can do. So I really hope that you like it.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, it makes me wonder. Like cold November rain, like a man without a name, like a song without a refrain. That's how I feel without you. Like a door without a key, like a wave without the sea, like a hive without the bees. That's how I feel without you. But oh, how I miss being with you. And oh, how I wish it wasn't true. And oh, how I wish you missed me too. But I know there's nothing I can do, nothing I can do. Like cold November rain, like a man without a name, like a song without a refrain. I don't know how else to explain.
There it is. I think it turned out so cute. So here it is on just a little tray that I made around Christmas time. And I put some little fairy lights around it. The little bubblegum machine, I didn't do much to that, but that will be in a video on Friday for some tier tray stuff. But yeah, I think it turned out super duper cute. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Please do not forget to go check out Favi and Maddie's videos. Oh my gosh, I saw pictures. So cute what they're making. So I will have them listed, and we just really appreciate your support. And I hope everybody has a great day. All right, bye-bye.